Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready CP. So previously I posted a short stating that cop has fined us around 500 rupees for having illegal number plate. Though our number plate is in steel and the number is also embossed, and apart from that it is the company provided number plate, still they said it's an illegal number plate, which is why we had set around 500 rupees as a fine. So next time if we get caught, they say they will be fining around 1500. So we got no other option other than changing the number plate. So I checked in local number plate shop, and they said they were asking around 1000 to 1500 depending on the shop. But the thing is, still I don't know whether that's legal or illegal. So I directly contacted Honda, and they gave an address, and from there I got it shipped to my location. So the thing is, we have to fix it ourselves. So this is how I'm removing the number plates. So for the rear I'm using T10 spanner, and for the front it's a normal star screwdriver. Even if you guys have some other plates, though it's company provided number plate, it's better to change it to the government approved number plate, else you have to shed out another 500 rupees for the police. Okay, so these are old number plates, and this is the new one that we have received. If you see, size remains the same, the number would be in the same font, that's it, same font and size. I don't see any much difference. Anyway, since it's illegal we have to change it, right? We have to identify the right position where we have to put the hole. For that I did few measurements, but it didn't work out. So what I have planned is to keep the old number plate on top of our new number plate and drill it out. I'm just using a whiteboard marker so that I can erase this whenever required. I mean after I finish the drill. Okay, I will place my old number plate on top of the new number plate. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a 4mm drill bit and put a small hole and ensure that I don't make any mistake. Once it is done, the next step is to use a 6mm drill bit, which is the right size to drill, so that the nut can be inserted. It's a very easy process. Anyone can do by themselves. So both sides I have drilled with 4mm first. Next I have to change the chuck key to 6mm. Place it in the same position and drill it out, and ensure you keep some 3 or 4 cardboards at the bottom before drilling, because if you don't place it, your entire flooring would be damaged with the drill bit. So now the net goes well and good inside my new plate. So for the rear, our plate is ready. Similar set of steps I have to do for the front number plate too. If you see the front, it is more or less the same size, so it's easy to mark the points. The same way I will use a whiteboard marker. I will mark it and I'm going to drill it. Okay, we have marked. Now the same 4mm drill bit first. Cardboard at the bottom. So first drill with 4mm. So it actually slips away. Just ensure you hold it tight and do the drill. Similarly on the other side. Yep. Now the next step is to change the 4mm to 6mm bit. In the meanwhile, many might have got a question like, why don't you change it directly to IND plate? Actually, in Tamil Nadu, IND plate is not mandated yet. Maybe in 3 months or 4 months, they may mandate the same. But still, I have to change it, right? Else I have to share out another 1,500 rupees as a fine. Though this is a company fixed number plate. Positioning right would be some time consuming, but still it's easy. Okay, so we are done now, and the number plate for front is also ready. The next step is we have to place these two number plates in our car, which is going to be a straightforward one. So here is this. So this is the right time to clean these plates and all. And if you see, there are marks of some double side tapes placed by the company initially. So remove them. Since it's more than 11 years, right, 10 years or 11 years, it's really difficult to remove this. But anyway, for now I will just place the number plate there. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a double side tape as they have used, just for the safety purpose. If you see, positioning is right, and the holes that we have drilled fits perfectly. Okay, so here is my double side tape. I will just use at 3 places. And now we will place it in its position. And making them to sit in its right place would be challenging, but with little adjustment you can do that right. So it will sit well. Yep, so now it got seated. We will tighten with the same T10 spanner, 10mm, which is nothing but 10mm spanner. Since I have a T already, I am using T spanner. This is the one I use for my bike service, that's why I have it ready. Similarly, we have to fix it for the front. For the front, it's very easy because it's, as I mentioned, it's a normal star screwdriver. So with this, we'll close this video, and anyone who has similar kind of number plate, please do change to avoid 500 rupees fine. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.